Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namine Namaste Sarasvate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Everyone please say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. They're used to it round the other way. We'll say it round the other way. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. I'm very honored to be here. And of course, everyone always says I'm very honored. But I'm not just saying it mokik, but really from my heart, I'm saying. Of course, I don't understand your language very much, but I can pick out a few words here and there. And Puja Swamiji Hegadeji was saying that ISKCON is distributing Gita and Bhagavatam to the Samanya people. But I must say, coming among all of you, I'm not Samanya. You should not see me as Samanya. I am not Samanya. I'm Nich, Ati Nich, Deen Heen, Asprisha Adrisha. It's actually a fact. According to the traditional Indian culture, I shouldn't even be seen. But it is your goodness that you are accepting me to speak to you, and it is because our Guru Dev, Srila Prabhupada, he went among all the people all over the world, seeing everyone as that Samadarshana, Pandita Samadarshana, seeing everyone, every jiva is Mamai Vangsho Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. I don't have to translate, you all know the meaning, presumably, of all these things. So, what should I tell you? You already know all these things. What shall I tell you? I can say I'm very, I'm very honored to be here in Dharma Sthala. The whole universe is Adharma Sthala, especially in this Kali Yuga. Adharma is, who is the Raja? Kali Raja. He's ruling over this Kali Yuga. But by Dharma, you are showing him, not just talking, but you are showing that actual human life is meant for Dharma. Dharmo hitesham. What is the difference? Ahara nidra. Ayamaitunam cha. Samanyametat pashubhyanaranam. You all know very well. Dharmo hitesham madiko vishesham dharmenihina. Pashubhya Naranam. Today the teachers, and not just the teachers, the cleaners, everyone, the Karmacharis, Karmacharini, everyone has been honored for their service and their happiness that they are getting, the satisfaction of a life well lived. The life lived in Dharma, that is more than the satisfaction of eating chocolates, watching so many things on your cell phone. Present age, the whole emphasis is on the immediate Indriya Sukh. You know very well, Praya Shreyas. So Dharma means to search for Shreyas. Nishrayasaya Visha Kalu Sarvatasyat. Having achieved this rare human birth, Adva Sudurlabham Idang Bahu Sambhavante Manusham Ardadam Anityam Api Hadhira Turnam Yatetana Patedanumrita Yavan Nishrayasaya Visha Kalu Sarvatasyat. You know very well all these things. So what I'm saying, it's like an echo. You can tell me all these things much better than I can tell you. But having attained this rare human form of life, Sudurlabham. Sudurlabham. How many trees are in the jungle around here? Did anyone count? More than the humans. That's also one species of life, Jeev Jati. Every tree is supporting so many living beings. We see the birds, the little bugs are there, little cells are there. So many, and not only on this planet, so many. Human life is so rare. And anitya, it won't last. Now this body came to 66 years. I can't expect another 66 years. It's not possible. The laws of nature are there. So before we have to pass away, before that we have to do whatever we have to do so we don't get born again. Knowing that, Vishaya Khalu Sarvatasyat, this Indriya Sukh, you can get everywhere. The bug in the tree is also getting Indriya Sukh. Ahara and Nidra Bhaya Maitun. They're also getting. But human life, just our, what was the name? Another Bhatta must be. Sorry, I don't know. I didn't pick up your full name. As he was telling me as we were driving here, that this Durlabha Manava Janma, we have to use it for the Nishrayasa, the topmost Shreyas. So as this is Dharma Stala, having come here, I've been to holy places everywhere, from Badrinath to Kanyakumari and pretty much all in between. But somehow I don't know why I didn't come. I was just thinking, why didn't I come? I've been going to Udupi since how many years? You don't know. 20, no, I'm not so, maybe 25, 30 years. But I don't know why. Why didn't I come here? What? Must be some kind of Maya. That's all. What can I say? Yeah, this is Dharma Stalam. And this consciousness you are imparting, teachers, what you have to impart, of course, you're imparting the knowledge of all things, people, because there's Bhautik Jivan also. You have to live in this world. But the consciousness, what I'm seeing here, is that understanding that this immediate so-called sukham, Vishayendriya Sangyogam, this Indriya Sukham, this is not the purpose of life. We have to live human life in Dharma. And that will give the satisfaction that the retired teachers are feeling, the satisfaction of a life well spent. You'll never get by this life which is simply meant for personal satisfaction. So it's a simple principle which anyone who's dhira, we find this word again and again in Gita and Bhagavatam, dhira, one whose intelligence is a little thanda dimak, I say, that's Gujarati. His mind is not agitated all the time. He can understand that life is meant for a higher purpose. And this should be, this is the underlying feature which we can find in all the holy places in India. Actually, there are so many things I have to say about it. I shouldn't take too much time. But one thing I'm very noticeable, like I said, I've been to so many holy places in India, well-known ones, not well-known ones. But what I'm seeing here, very prominent, is how everyone is united in a spirit of service, of cooperating and giving, that we're not here just for how much money we can get and exploit others and cheat, and nothing like that. And it starts from the top. Actually, Sri Ram here, he brought me here. He said, you should come here and see Rajarshi. We hear about evam parampara praptam imang rajarshayo viduhu. Bhagavad-gita. Actually, Krishna, he doesn't say it's meant for the Brahmanas. He's speaking to Arjuna and he says it's for the Rajarshi. And practically we're seeing here. This should be the model for Paramarthik Bharata. That how it was previous, of course, now everything is gone. But the Raja, he is honored as Naradeva, Naradipam, the representative of God. Everyone honors. He sees himself as the servant of everyone. He takes, just like a father takes care of everyone, father takes care of the children, and everyone is fully satisfied like that. And I'm seeing this here. In so many holy places I go, you can see it's money, money, money. People are thinking, how I'll get more money. No one trusts anyone. But there's such a spirit here that everyone is so happy to serve because they have faith and trust. Thank you very much. We have so many things to learn here. So many things. I request you one thing. You please all chant with me. Maybe 2 minutes we can sing. Here you sing Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. As we were taught in our Sampradaya, we sing Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Please don't mind. This is how I have learned. So please chant with us. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sri Manjunath Eswara Ki Jai.